Big body, feel what I'm saying? Feel what I'm saying?
Days like, what's up? Yo, I ain't gonna cap. The slotted this. Scrunch. Whoa!
Yeah.
He died?
Oh!
That's why I heard that shooting last night.
And my auntie could just afford those Jordan flights. Now I'm the one that could pay all of her flights. Ever since then, I was stuck in to get the fam out of the hood at the bar like a mic.
Pop out. Okay, I don't know why this nigga. That's the look, y'all. This guy trying to turn on the heat. He don't even know how to turn on the heat. My guy, you don't know how to turn on the heat?
I guess that's how you keep doing it.
I don't know. Is the car running?
You know what I'm saying?
It don't sound like it's running in it. Don't put it in drive. You got AC right there. See, that's why I told Don I don't understand.
This is AC, this is the default, so I'm gonna push this.
Well, that's what I want, the default.
Say, bro. Back out the shit, my nigga. Big body, feel what I'm saying? Feel what I'm saying? Oh, this nigga he about to blow the tires of his kid driving ass. Turn the car off, my nigga. Oh, it's lit. It's lit. That's a lit. Check me out. We in the car with it. We in the car with it. Feel me? Oh, yes. It was good, YouTube. You know what I'm saying? This boy can't chase a job. In the cut. Yo, we in North Carolina with it. Yo. I gonna cat. Yo, bro, get in this light. Light right here. Shooting. Look at this shit. This nigga right here got a muscle car. I ain't gonna cap. I might just book gang his shit. I mean, stop. I ain't even from here. Nigga might pop my ass. Fuck talking about, nigga. But yeah, look. Yo, I ain't gonna cap. The slotted this. Look, niggas about to be the gods of YouTube, you know what I'm saying? I feel like I'm about to take over this motherfucker. Like, blind dates, whatever you need, I'm your guy. Like, what's up, bro? Body that shit, get it out of here. Like, chosen one. I do everything. Stop playing my little top. Yeah. I'm playing all top. I act like all that shit. Fuck you talking about, nigga.
My grandma, like,
Cookies on deck.
right. Wait.
It's only twins. What the fuck? My sisters.
When they was in the car last night, the motherfuckers ate this shit?
Yes.
That hurt.
Fucking
Steal money.
what? Alright, so how was y'all niggas' days? Like, what's up?
Yeah, I got ADHD. I can't sit still. I'm tired.
But look, check it. We finna go to Florida in 2 days.
Oh God.
So look, check it. I'ma need y'all to subscribe, you know what I'm saying? Keep watching, cause you know. Oh,
Auntie. And your little mommy.
and your little followers. You can't block these.
Yes, you can.
Bro, this
Dutch. Just believe. This nigga. It's crazy, YouTube. It's crazy.
Alright, so you know, we out here with it.
Yeah. Huh? I called him. He ain't answered me back last night.
Oh! Whoa!
The one that make music?
Whoa!
Yeah.
He died?
That's why I heard that shooting last night.
No, they don't think no, he got killed.
Oh!
Already.
The one that make music and the one that got all those brothers?
I don't know. Count like to say, boy, come up there every day. I don't know.
Like he had to, his clock ran up.
My phone in the crib charging.
Dang, bro.
Damn, bro.
Dang.
Bad, man. Damn. I mean, I'm about to see him today. So,
That's
we gonna have a big ass talk.
oh yeah. Oh yeah,
We
we have
have
to
to
be
like, you know, he is everything is straight. He's just in there.
You stupid.
Yeah, my nigga. Almost died in this motherfucker. But yeah, YouTube, you know what I'm saying? It's your boy. I keep looking over here because I look so damn good, no? Good. I'm saying, don't watch you, watch me. Yeah. If that makes sense, hold up. Yeah, nigga. Pulled up in the driveway. What you talking about? Dang. Ain't gonna lie, the sun kind of left us.
But we straight though. It's an iPhone fucking 11, nigga. Do you know what this shit is, nigga?
Should get night mode and all. Like, this motherfucker be up.
Oh God, nigga. Hey, what time is it though? You probably got class. I ain't gonna lie.
Well, yeah, it's 8:15.
If it's, I got algebra.
Yo, bro, respectfully, bro.
Okay, bye.